Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tableau Public for data visualization. First, download and install the free Tableau Public desktop application. Once installed, open the application to begin your data visualization journey. You'll see an interface ready for you to connect to your data. This platform is excellent for sharing your work with a broad audience. Now, let's connect your data. Click to a file and select your data source, perhaps an Excel spreadsheet. Once loaded, you'll see your data fields on the left. Drag a dimension, like category, to the columns shelf and a measure, like sales, to the rows shelf. Tableau will automatically suggest a chart type, but you can easily change it to a bar chart or line graph. To make your visualizations more impactful, customize them. Change colors to highlight key data points or adjust fonts for readability. Add filters to allow viewers to interact with your data, perhaps by selecting a specific region. You can also create calculated fields, like a profit ratio, to gain deeper insights from your existing data. Finally, it's time to share your amazing work. Click File, then Save to Tableau Public as. You'll need to sign in or create a free account. Once saved, your visualization will be live on your Tableau Public profile. You'll get a unique URL to share your interactive dashboard with anyone, showcasing your data storytelling skills.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.